Ever wondered about incorporating rice water into your hair care routine? You're not alone. This humble ingredient, a staple in many kitchens, is packed with nutrients like amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's been used for centuries to promote hair growth, strengthen strands, add shine, and even reduce dandruff and itchy scalp. The best part? It's incredibly easy to make at home. So, are you ready to unlock the secret of rice water shampoo? Stay tuned to learn how you can easily make rice water shampoo at home. The first method we'll explore for making rice water shampoo is the boiling method. This is a straightforward process that anyone can do at home. Start by rinsing a cup of rice to remove any impurities. Next, add the rice to a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Allow it to simmer until the water becomes cloudy and starchy. This is your rice water. Once it's ready, strain the rice water into a spray bottle and let it cool down. This is your basic rice water shampoo, but you can enhance its benefits with a few additions. For instance, consider adding shikakai powder, known for its cleansing properties, or aloe vera juice, which is incredibly soothing and hydrating for the scalp. Just mix these in after the rice water has cooled, and there you have it. Rice water shampoo using the boiling method. And next up, we have the fermenting method, which offers even more benefits for your hair. This process enhances the nutrients in the rice water, making it a powerhouse for hair health. The magic of this method lies in the fermentation process, which produces a slightly sour concoction, rich in antioxidants and pH balancing properties. So, how do we create this hair elixir? First, soak some rice in water for about half an hour. This allows the nutrients in the rice to seep into the water. After soaking, strain the rice water into a jar. Now comes the fermentation part. Cover the jar with a cloth and let it sit at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. This waiting period might test your patience, but trust me, the results are worth it. Once the fermentation process is complete, you'll notice a slightly sour smell. Don't worry, that's a good sign. It means the fermentation process has worked its magic. At this point, pop the jar in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Now, how do you use this fermented rice water shampoo? You can use it as a rinse or take it up a notch by mixing it with Castile soap and glycerin to create a shampoo bar. This potent concoction will not only cleanse your hair, but also nourish it, promoting strength, shine, and overall health. That's how you make fermented rice water shampoo, packed with antioxidants and pH balancing properties. Finally, let's dive into the blending method, which offers a thicker consistency for your shampoo. This method is a fantastic way of extracting maximum nutrients from the rice. To begin, cook some rice in water until it's soft. Once done, combine the soft cooked rice with additional water in a blender. Blend until it forms a smooth paste. This paste forms the base of your blended rice water shampoo. One of the significant advantages of this method is the ability to customize your shampoo. For instance, you could add mango pulp to the mix. This not only adds a delightful tropical scent, but also enriches your shampoo with vitamins and antioxidants. Castor oil is another fantastic addition, known for promoting hair growth and adding shine. Once your ingredients are well combined, your nourishing rice water shampoo is ready to use. It's that simple. And that wraps up the blending method for making a nourishing rice water shampoo. So, we've explored 3 different methods for making rice water shampoo. Each method, whether it's the simplicity of the boiling method, the longevity of the fermenting method, or the nutrient-rich blending method, offers unique benefits for your hair and scalp, thanks to the amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants present in rice water. Remember, the boiling method is quick and easy, and you can enhance it by adding ingredients like shikakai powder and aloe vera juice. The fermenting method, while taking a bit longer, delivers a more potent concoction, rich in antioxidants and pH balancing properties. And lastly, the blending method, which involves creating a smooth paste from cooked rice, allows for a thicker, more nourishing shampoo. Each method is an invitation to experiment and see which works best for your hair type and needs. Try these methods out and see the amazing difference rice water can make to your hair care routine.